In developments at the Sex for Contracts trial of ex-CNB Chief Ng Boon Gay, District Judge Siva Shanmugam has allowed the prosecution 7 applications to impeach Ng's credibility. This means the judge will have to decide at the close of trial which parts of Ng's evidence to take into consideration.
Ng Boon Gay not only fabricated his evidence in court, he also lied to the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau. That was what lead prosecutor Tan Ken Hui said during Thursday's proceedings. Of his 7 impeachment applications, 3 related to oral sex. The rest were about Ms Sue's conversations with Ng on the IT products. In Ng's CPIB statement, he said Ms Sue asked if CNB was interested in some particular software. But DPP Tan said Ng testified minutes earlier that the IT product discussion did not relate to CNB in particular, but in general. This led DPP Tan to charge that Ng lied and that the discussion was when Ms Sue told him she could get CNB a discount. Ng disagreed. In his CPIB statement, Ng said Ms Sue was his part-time lover and that they engaged in sexual intimacy on and off. But prosecution said Ng testified that the sexual intimacies were a routine and that they had oral sex 20 to 30 times in the course of their affair. DPP Tan then accused Ng of lying in court about the number of sexual encounters with Ms Sue. Ng disagreed. Ms Sue had previously said Ng knew she was pursuing business opportunities with CNB, but Ng testified that he didn't have any discussion about the SANS virtualization project. Ng also said he came to know Hitachi Data Systems was involved in the project after it was awarded. Reading out Ng's CPIB statement, DPP Tan said Ng's statement indicated he was not aware Hitachi was involved in the project. Ng explained that he made the statement in the context of the investigating officer's query. Heated exchanges arose when prosecution sought to impeach Ng's credibility, but the senior counsel objected to the move several times, saying he failed to see the discrepancy suggested by prosecution, let alone the material inconsistencies. But the court allowed the applications after prosecution made explanations. The trial continues.